Everyone, so today I'm doing a little collab with Cool Fidget World, and yes, I'm really excited. So, yeah, let's just get started. So, basically, the collab is about making a DIY fidget toy thing. So, yeah. By the way, I'm putting her channel link down in the comments. So, yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so basically, what you need and your DIY fidget thing, we need some scissors, some tape, any type of tape. You can use black tape too. Yeah, that's okay. And a water bottle piece. You just need a little bit, but yeah, I'm probably gonna cut this. So yeah. And we also need a paper, but you need just like a little piece of it. You don't need like a big one. Yeah. So yeah. The first thing you need to do, you're gonna grab your paper and your scissors, and you're basically just gonna cut like a tiny piece of it. So I'll be back. Okay, I cutted a small piece of it. Now I'm just gonna cut more. We need to like make it the same size, kinda. Okay, this is kind of like a good size. Do you guys reckon? Wait, I'm just gonna like. Okay, this is a pretty good size. And basically, if you already have the good size, you need to like twin it or something. Wait, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done with the paper thing. So you just need like size of paper. You can make it like as big as you want, but I'm just gonna make it like the size. So yeah, and make sure they're kind of like the same size, the same shape, and everything. So yeah. And next, we're gonna go in to grab some water bottle, and I'm just gonna cut a kind of big piece. Not that big though. Okay, it's kind of hard. Okay. Okay. Kind of sticky. Okay, I'm gonna wash this first because it's kind of sticky. Okay, I'm back. And yeah, I just washed it so it's not that sticky. And yes, you just need one part of this. Just gonna cut a tiny piece. Make sure it's the same size. Okay, just need to cut it a little bit. Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, that's really good. Okay, next, you don't need the paper and the water bottle, so you can throw that away. And yeah, you got two of these now. Now, we're gonna grab some tape. And we're gonna grab a little bit of some tape. Okay, wait. Okay, guys, you all need just a tiny piece of some tape. Not a tiny piece, you need like, sorry for the background noise, but yeah. Okay, there's so many background noise. Wait, sorry for that. I was really stressed. But okay, so yeah, you need like a lot of tape to like cover the ends and everything. And if you're done, you can just like crack it. Like that will be so satisfying. Fun fact about me, I have done so many DIY fidgets, but they're all just like slanting around in my house, and yeah, I don't really play with them anymore, but I'll give you guys an update, I guess. I'll see you if I'm done with this. Okay, bye. This is how I'm going so far. Not the best, but yeah. It will be better if I'm just done. Okay. Hi guys, I'm finally done. And yeah, it's not the best thing, but yeah. but it's pretty much cool for me. Kind of like press it and press it again on the back. It's kind of satisfying too. Yeah. Look, so wait. Just press it. Kind of bends. Oh, that's so satisfying. It's really cool. It doesn't really look good on camera, but it's really cool. I didn't tape this side for some reason. Look. But I'm gonna tape it soon. So yeah. I can just like put some extra. Just like that. It's like a DIY squishy. Well, yeah, kind of it. Oh my god, this sounds so better. If I add this, and I'm gonna cut. Where's my scissors? Here are my scissors. Here you go. Oh, that's so much better. This side doesn't have any sounds. But this one. Oh, that's like massive. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the best fidget ever. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Yeah, bye. Bye.